Well, my dream was always to save and build a home. My plan was actually to build a home back in Estonia, but I ended up being here, which is even better. Choosing a right builder, it's always the tricky part. I heard a lot of people saying different things about different builders, so it was really tricky. But I still went with the gut feeling, and it was the right choice. So I saw their ads on TV, and I Googled a lot of builders, but when I Googled their house plans, I liked them the most. They had a lot of open plans, which is really what I like. I was very overwhelmed at first with all the paperwork and banks and everything, but they made it so easy. As they said, like, they do the hard work and I just sit back and relax, and that's exactly how it was. And it's also true that there's no hidden costs, which is very pleasant. They were so helpful. The team in Orange was amazing. Very, very good. They like good team, like a family.